Hello everyone, today we are gonna introduce you a coolest electric bike. It tacks on a sidecar, with a third wheel, and turns the bike into one of the coolest trikes you'll ever see. You will retain all the speed and power that this bike offers, but now you have got an awesome sidecar to haul kids, pets, groceries, or whatever you can think of. The inclusion of a rear rack also means that you could put a child seat back there and easily carry 3 people on one bike. A little kid in the rear, a bigger kid in the sidecar, and the biggest kid, you, at the controls. The bike itself is already fairly high performance. 750 watts of continuous power, and over 1000 watts of peak power on top, means that the bike is ready to roll. As soon as you hit the throttle, the acceleration is of course slightly more muted when you've got the sidecar loaded down with a kid or 2, but that extra power means it still gets moving nicely. The bike is also quite comfortable, with its cruiser design, wide saddle, and grips that fit nicely in the hands. The large display is nice and readable. There's a suspension fork, as well as suspension built into the seat post and saddle, giving you a few options to smooth out the ride. In that sense, this certainly is not a cheap e-bike, but if you've got the disposable income, then you definitely won't be disappointed by it. The bike is fun. It's fast. It's powerful. It gets looks everywhere it goes. And it's got great utility to boot. If you can fit it in your garage and your wallet, you're bound to enjoy it. If you are interested in this model, feel free to contact us.